Valerie. Are you having trouble sleeping? Well, maybe next time you'd like to try wearing a sleep mask. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your very own. For this mask, all you need is one single pattern that I have included for you on the description. So let me show you the ones that I've made. I made this pink one and I added beauty sleep on it. And I made a purple one and added do not disturb. I made this other purple one and put sweet dreams. And I had some more purple material with butterflies on it. You can also get creative and add little faces to it. So let me try one on for you so you can see how it looks. On the back it has elastic, so you can just stretch it and it'll fit on your head. So the fabric is very soft and comfortable, and the elastic is not too tight, and so it fits nice and snug on my face, and so it shouldn't bother your face while you sleep. So this is a perfect size. It's very dark and it's comfortable, and I can't see anything. So these are very easy and fun to make because you can add your own personal touch. Having trouble sleeping? I do have some tips for you for a better sleep. And also, if you want to tell me about your schedule and your sleeping habits during this coronavirus times, I'll be happy to hear it. As for my tips for a better sleep, they did have plenty on the internet, but I did select a few to share with you. Tips that they recommend for you for a better sleep is to put your phone on silent mode so you won't be disturbed. Also, they recommend to exercise regularly. They recommend to maybe put some relaxing music, take a bath. They recommend for you to cool down the temperature in your living space to a cool temperature. It helps you to sleep better. I myself do like my room cool, but I do like to cover myself with a nice blanket. Also, they recommend to go take an evening walk. Might get you tired and wanting to sleep. A few more tips that they recommend for you to do is to be consistent on your daily schedule. Like always go to sleep at the same time so that you can get up early and get your body used to that schedule. Reducing caffeine before you go to bed or hours before, so that caffeine usually keeps you up. So they recommend to reduce caffeine, like coffee, sodas, tea. Turn off computers, TVs, anything disturbing, because they want your body to get into that sleep mode. Do not go to sleep with a full stomach, or also do not go to sleep with an empty stomach. I know that when I have an empty stomach and I feel hungry, I really don't sleep because all I'm thinking about is I'm hungry. Again, they say to exercise, or you can also meditate or read a book. I know that when I start reading, I always get sleepy. Limit your drinking. I know it's good to drink water before you go to bed, but it says to be limited, because then you'll be wanting to get up to go to the restroom, and that is going to disturb your sleep, and then that's when some people have trouble going back to sleep. So limit your drinking. Here's where my sleep masks come in. They recommend for you to have your room nice and dark. Also, you have your room nice and cool and nice and dark. And to help you to keep your room nice and dark, that's when you can wear a sleep mask. The sleep mask will help you to do that. Last few tips I have for you is definitely invest in a good bed. I was sleeping in a bed that I would wake up with a backache or a neck ache. And so once we did invest in a good bed, now I have a nice good sleep. For my last tip for better sleep is maybe listening to some music or some sounds. I know on YouTube you can find many videos of sounds like raindrops, or maybe listening to like cricket or sounds like that. Some people, when they listen to sounds like that, it helps them sleep. So those were my tips that I wanted to share with you on how to get a better sleep. Now continue watching so you can watch my sewing tutorial on how to make your own sleeping mask. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to message me. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And for those of you that are already subscribed, I want to thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Stay safe and stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, have fun keeping it crafty.